Innalhamdulillah, nahmadahu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa man yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Wa asyhadu anna la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarika lahu wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu sallallahu alaihi wa ala alihi wasallam. Wa ba'd fa'auzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani wa yafqahu qawli. Welcome to my channel QShare BD. QShare BD is the channel of sharing knowledge in order to understand Quran. Today is our lesson number 27. In this lesson we will try to understand the Arabic broken plural, how the broken plural works. So let's start. The Muslimun is a singular number in Arabic, and the dual is Muslimani. Just by adding ani, we will get Muslim dual number. This is very simple than we have discussed in our previous lesson. And also the plural will be Muslimuna. We have to add una. And this is the standard formula, a standard procedure to get the dual and plural number in Arabic. Like the kitabun, a book, the two book will be kitabani, the step to ani, the same formula like in Muslimani, it will be kitabani. But if you want to say books, then can we make kitabuna like Muslimuna? No, we cannot make this. Kitabuna is not right way to make the plural number from kitabun. The right thing is kutubun. Kutubun is the plural of kitabun. So this is called broken plural. This kutubun is the broken plural of kitabun, and muslimun is the sound plural of muslimuna. This sound plural, it is called sound plural because the muslimun and the muslimuna, the sounds remain same almost. But here the singular is kitabun and broken plural is kutubun. The sound has been changed, and at the same time the internal structure of the singular number kitabun has been broken down, and after breaking down the alif has been removed, and the second letter fatha has been removed, and first letter kasra has been removed, and newly added first letter get dhamma, second letter get dhamma. So there are lots of changes happen after breaking down this singular number. That's why this type of plural number is called broken plural number. In Arabic, there are many broken plural number. About 80% words plural number are under the broken plural number category. So this is a little bit challenge to memorize. So we will not memorize this one. We will just understand and only memorize the important plural numbers under this category. And whenever required to know the plural number whenever we will go for the Arabic Quranic verses explanation, then whenever required, then we will learn again. But today in this lesson we will learn the basic things of Arabic plural number, and also we will try to understand to memorize some important, only the important plural number and the pattern. So English also have the similar problems. Like the boy in English, plural is boys, student is students. But if we want to say mouse, so we cannot make plural mouses like this after adding yes. So this is not the correct way, right? So it will be mice. Similarly, the man is not mans. The plural is men. So in English also the internal structure of the singular number changed, and the new structure comes in to get the plural number. So every language there are similar type of things exist. The Arabic is also similar. Now we will discuss some important broken plural. Let's start. Nazmun means star, Nazmani means two star, and Nuzumun. The plural is Nuzumun. Ibnun means son, Ibnani means two son, and Abna'u means sons. Alimun means scholar. Alimani, two scholar, and ulama'u. Ulama'u means many scholars. And Zahilun means ignorant. Zahilun means ignorant, and Zahilani to ignorance, and Zuhalau. Zuhalau means many ignorant. Safirun means ambassador. Safirani to ambassador, and Sufarau. Sufarau means ambassador. Miskinun means poor, and Miskinani to poor, and Masakinu means poor. Right, we will see some more broken plural. Baitun means book, and Baitani means two books, and Buyutun means books. It's completely different. It's Baitun. Kalbun means heart, Kalbani means two hearts, and Kulubuns mean hearts. And Talibun means student, Talibani to student, and Tullabun means students. Baladun means country, Baladani to countries, and Biladun means countries. Imra'atun means woman, and Imra'atani to women, and Nisa'un means woman. Waladun means boy, Waladani to boys, and Auladun means boys. Now we will see some pattern. Like pattern number 1, Fa'alun, Fa'alani, and Af'alun. The example like Kalamun means pen, and Kalamani means to pen, and Akhlamun means many pens. This is pattern number 1. Pattern 2, Fa'ilun, and plural is Fi'alani, and 12, and plural is Fi'alun. Like for example, Zibalun means mountain, Zibalani means two mountain, and Zibalun means mountains. The only difference is the extra alif. This extra alif makes the singular to plural, broken plural. One more pattern, Fahlun, Fahlani, and Hulun. There are many words fall under this category, Hulun. For example, Fazlun means season, Fazlani means two seasons, and Fuzulun means seasons. Pattern number 4, Fa'ilun, Fa'ilani, and Af'ila'u. Af'ila'u, like for example, Fa'i'un, a fist, and Fa'iyani, two fins, and Af'iya'u, fist. Now we'll see some more important pattern. Only singular and plural. The dual is not added here because dual is same in everywhere. Fa'ilun is the pattern, and plural is the fi'lanun. Fi'lanun. Like Sabi'un means boy, and Sibyanun means boys. Like one more pattern. Fulatun, singular, and plural is Fu'alun. For example, Suratun means picture. In Arabic, Suratun means picture. And Su'arun means pictures. One more pattern. Fa'ilatun is a singular, and Fa'ilatun is a plural. Just extra alif. Only the extra alif after lam make it plural. Like Kalimatun mean word, and Kalimatun means words. And pattern 4, last pattern, Fa'ilun and Fu'alun. For example, Katibun means clerk. The Munkar and Nakir write down the sins, whatever we do. Katibun, and the plural is Kuttabun. Kuttabun means many clerks. So we'll see some more important pattern, like Fa'ilun and Hu'ala'u. Example, Alimun, the plural will be ulama'u. This is the pattern. And maf'alun and mafa'ilu. For example, markazun means center, and marakizu means centers. Marakizu. And maf'alatun and mafa'ilu is the pattern, and the actual example like madrasatun. This is under this pattern, and madarisu under this pattern for broken plural. And the final and last pattern is fa'ilun and fu'ala'u. For example, amirun means prince under this pattern, fa'ilun and amirun, and umara'u, fu'ala'u, umara'u. This pattern is follows this one. The prince of Saudi Arabia, this called Amir, Amirun or Amir, and Umara'u, many princes. These are the pattern and important broken plural that I have tried to collect for you. And don't worry, we do not need to memorize everything. Whatever we can memorize, we will try to memorize. And if we can, then don't worry, we will slowly learn. We will again review every grammars wherever required during our main course of explaining the Quranic verses, inshallah. So that is the end of our lesson 27. Thank you for watching.